RAM provides fast, temporary memory for smooth multitasking, quick processing, and efficient computer performance. Today's video is about top 5 best computer RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair Computer RAM, the Corsair LPX DDR4 RAM delivers high performance and reliability, making it an excellent choice for both gaming and professional computing. Hand-sorted memory chips provide exceptional quality and generous overclocking headroom, allowing users to push their systems beyond standard speeds while maintaining stability. Optimized for broad compatibility, the Corsair LPX works seamlessly with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, ensuring easy integration into most builds. Its low-profile design, standing just 34mm tall, makes it ideal for small form-factor PCs or systems with large CPU coolers, without compromising airflow or aesthetics. A high-performance PCB guarantees strong signal quality and stability, supporting precise overclocking and consistent performance under heavy workloads. The solid aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat from each module, keeping the RAM cool even during extended gaming sessions or intensive multitasking. Overall, Corsair LPX combines speed, stability, and thermal efficiency in a compact design, offering a reliable memory upgrade for enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-performance DDR4 modules. Now our second product is Crucial Computer RAM. The 32GB DDR5 RAM kit, 2x16GB, delivers game-changing speed and performance for modern desktop builds. Operating at up to 6,400 MHz with CL32 latency, it's designed to enhance gaming, multitasking, and overall system responsiveness, giving users a noticeable boost in demanding applications. Low latency performance ensures smoother gameplay and higher frame rates, making it ideal for memory-intensive AAA titles where every millisecond counts. The kit supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, offering stable overclocking and broad compatibility with Intel Core Ultra Series 2, Ryzen 9000 series CPUs, and newer platforms. Beyond performance, it features a striking heat spreader available in Snow Fox White or Stealth Matte Black camo, adding tactical aesthetics to any gaming setup. Advanced Micron memory technology and extended timings of 32-40-40-103 allow for reliable overclocking and reduced latency, ensuring consistent performance under heavy loads. Overall, this DDR5 RAM kit combines high speed, low latency, and bold design, making it a top choice for gamers and enthusiasts seeking next-gen memory performance. Our third product is Timetec Computer RAM. The Timetec 8GB DDR3L RAM module is a reliable and cost-effective memory upgrade for laptops, notebooks, mini PCs, and all-in-one devices. Operating at 1,600 MHz, PC3L12800/PC3-12800, with CL11 latency, it delivers stable performance for everyday computing tasks such as multitasking, web browsing, and office applications. Of this dual-rank, unbuffered, non-ECC module supports both 1.35V and 1.5V operation, offering flexibility and energy efficiency for a wide range of devices. The 204-pin design ensures easy installation in compatible systems, while the green PCB adds a classic, durable finish. All Timetec products undergo rigorous testing to meet high-quality standards, ensuring consistent reliability and performance. Users also benefit from a guaranteed lifetime warranty from the purchase date, along with free technical support based in the United States, providing peace of mind and assistance if needed. Overall, this Timetec DDR3L RAM module is an excellent choice for upgrading older systems, offering dependable performance, energy efficiency, and long-term support. Now number 4, Corsair Computer RAM. The Corsair DDR5 RAM modules deliver exceptional performance and stunning visuals, making them ideal for high-end desktop builds. Featuring dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting with 10 individually addressable ultra-bright LEDs per module, the panoramic light bar provides vivid and customizable illumination visible from any angle, adding a striking aesthetic to your system. Onboard voltage regulation allows for finer, more stable overclocking through Corsair ICUE software, offering superior control compared to previous motherboard-based methods. Users can also create and save custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, optimizing performance for specific applications or workloads for improved efficiency. Corsair's ICUE software further enhances customization, letting users choose from dozens of preset lighting profiles or create entirely new ones to match their build's theme. Optimized for the latest Intel DDR5 motherboards, these modules offer maximum bandwidth and tight response times, ensuring smooth multitasking, fast data transfer, and high-performance gaming. Overall, Corsair DDR5 RAM combines elite performance, precise control, and visually stunning RGB effects for next-gen systems. And our last choice is G.Skill Computer RAM. The G.Skill Triton Z RGB DDR4 Memory Kit, F43600C18D32GTZR, is a premium choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both performance and style. With a total capacity of 32GB, 2x16GB, it operates at DDR4-3600 speeds with CL18-22-22-42 timings at 1.35V, delivering fast and responsive performance for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. This 90cc, 288-pin UDAMM kit is designed for desktop PCs and includes both JEDEC standard and Intel XMP overclocking profiles, allowing users to easily unlock higher performance. The Triton Z RGB modules feature customizable RGB lighting, adding striking visual appeal to any system build. G.Skill emphasizes using the kit as a matched set to ensure stability, as mixing memory kits can lead to performance issues or system failure. For optimal compatibility, users should consult G.Skill's Memory QVL or RAM configurator. Overall, this kit provides high-speed, stable, and visually impressive memory for enthusiasts seeking reliability and style in their desktop setups. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.